What's going on, you guys? I have several things to try for you today. First off, I picked up the Dorritos. I've seen people reviewing these, so I thought I'd share this with you guys. This is the Dorritos Spicy Pineapple Jalapeno flavor right here, guys. And then I have the this one over here. The Flamin' Hot Nacho flavor, you guys, and then I got some sushi here I wanted to share with you today, so bear with me as I open this up for you guys. Let's see what she looks like, and woo, she smells spicy. Oh boy, it smells like wasabi again, like the hot mustard. This is what the spicy pineapple jalapeno flavored ones look like, you guys. Cheers. I don't know what Doritos are doing these days, but they got the flavoring down. Alright, you know what it tastes like? Wasabi and pineapple together. I give this a 10 today, you guys. That's pretty good, actually. Got my vote. I'm drinking coconut water today, so I'm gonna cleanse my palate. Move on to the next flavor here. This one is the Flamin' Hot Nacho flavor. Almost terrified to try this one out. Oh my god. This one looks like it's dusted with the flaming hot Cheeto dust again, you guys. I don't know, it looks like it's really spicy, so let me see. Taking the time. Wow. Ooh, that's kicking. That's Flavor Town in here, guys. If you like it really spicy with a lot of kick to it, I would definitely try the Flamin' Hot Nacho flavor. You can probably make some bomb-ass nachos with these, you guys. Not kidding. Or might be some good beer food, if you like that sort of thing. But seriously, no, the spice level to this is like a 12 out of 10. Cheers.